Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Kawasaki Ninja 650, an easy guide. Before you even think about starting the engine, always perform a quick pre-ride inspection. This ensures your safety and the bike's readiness. Check your tire pressure, ensuring it's at the manufacturer's recommended level, usually around 32 pounds per square inch in the front and 36 in the rear. Verify your brake fluid levels, confirm your lights are working, and check chain tension. These steps take less than 5 minutes but are crucial for a safe ride. To start your Ninja 650, first ensure the motorcycle is in neutral, indicated by the N light on your dashboard, and apply the front brake lever. Turn the ignition key to the on position, then press the start button, typically on the right handlebar. The engine should spring to life. Familiarize yourself with the clutch lever on the left, the front brake on the right, and the throttle grip. Practice gently rolling the throttle to hear the engine respond, then letting it return smoothly, building muscle memory before moving. With the engine running, pull in the clutch lever fully with your left hand. Gently press down on the gear shifter with your left foot to engage first gear. Now, slowly release the clutch lever while simultaneously adding a small amount of throttle with your right hand. Feel the bike begin to move forward. The key is a smooth, coordinated release of the clutch and throttle to avoid stalling. For upshifting, briefly close the throttle, pull the clutch, shift up with your foot, then release the clutch and reapply throttle. Approaching a turn, slow down before entering, then apply a slight press on the handlebar in the direction you want to turn. This is countersteering. Look through the turn to where you want to go, allowing your body and the bike to naturally lean. For effective braking, gently squeeze the front brake lever, applying about 70% of your braking force, while pressing the rear brake pedal for the remaining 20 to 30%. Practice gradual, smooth braking to stop safely and in control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.